மதனாக நீ எங்கு மறைந்த அன்றோ.
Namaskaram. My name is Neha. I have been learning dance under various teachers for 11 years, out of which the past 3 years I have been under the guidance and on a learning path with Srimati Priya Manoj, founder of Bharatanjali Dance Institute here in Abu Dhabi, UAE. Bharatanjali has been producing dance drama productions under its banner for many years now, and I have been blessed to be a part of its latest production, Shanmugodayam. Shanmugodayam was conceptualized and choreographed by Srimati Priya Manoj. It was staged on 19th of April 2019. The theme was based on Kalidasa's Kumarasambhavam, the story of birth of Lord Muruga. The story was enacted by the students of Bharatanjali Dance Institute, and every one of them has some experiences to share about the production Shanmugodayam.
My name is Avantika. The dance production Shanmugodayam, performed by my friends, was, I think, one of the most extraordinary and mesmerizing performances I have ever seen or experienced. It is a beautiful work of art. We could clearly see the hard work and effort put into the project, which just proves that practice can make anything and everything perfect. A story was conveyed which even a non-dancer could understand. From what I have heard from my friends, the experience was even greater. Each one had a story of their own. As a dancer, I feel inspired by the passion they carry in their hearts, which makes me practice every day and makes my moves perfect.
I love dancing. However, the basics and the essence of dancing under the guidance of Priya ma'am for the last 7 years has been a different experience. Shanmugodayam, the production of Priya ma'am in the year 2019 that I was blessed to be a part of, was based on Kalidasa's Kumarasambhavam. Being the first production for me, the excitement started from the very first day of its announcement in 2018. The practice of production started in the month of December 18, and I had the opportunity to practice in different roles since I had to fill in those who were unable to make it for the practice sessions. Since the day of production was nearing, the practice sessions were also held in the month of 2019 March, where most of us had final exams to attend it. So we had to find a balance between academics and a production. We all had to put extra hours to our academics sometimes, the practice or afterwards, which was challenging, but we sure we fairly well on both the sides.
Shanmugodayam was a huge learning experience personally to me. The practice sessions helped me to learn a lot of things such as teamwork, coordination, and many other tips to improve my dancing. But apart from that, what affected me the most was that a few weeks before the program, I had a fall and I injured my jaw. The doctors advised me complete rest, which meant that I could no longer participate in the program. I was mentally shaken to hear that. I was really looking forward to the program as it would have been a new experience for me. Even after months and months of practice, to know that I won't be able to participate in the program was really disappointing. I did watch the program and it came out so well. Today, looking back, I feel that though I could not participate in the final program, I learned a lot of things while I was a part of it, which I can carry on and apply not only in my dancing but also in my day-to-day life.
The production Shanmugodayam was a thrilling and enlightening experience. It helped me improve the way that I dance and helped me correct a lot of my mistakes. I also got to learn a lot more about the tale of Shiva and Parvati. It was truly fascinating to see how each scene was set according to the mood we needed to create or how the characters were feeling then. I also got to work with a huge group of people, and this helped me adjust a lot as we had to fill in for missing students during the hours that went into rehearsals. I also had the opportunity to learn a lot more about Abhinaya. For me, this meant portraying the character Sati's emotions, anger, sorrow and betrayal before she jumped into the Homakunda. The many months of practice that went into this production required hard work and dedication, all of us putting in extra time and effort to bring this production to life. Our Guru Srimati Priya Manoj ensured that all of us understood the part we were playing and the emotions these characters were feeling. Her enthusiasm and dedication throughout this whole process helped keep me motivated even while we were facing difficulties. Even though there were a few bumps along the road, the final experience of being able to perform this fine piece of art in front of a live audience was truly surreal.
I always wanted to perform a dance drama for a very long time. I'm fascinated by it. So when Priya ma'am announced Shanmugodayam and I came to know that I was going to be a part of it, I was super excited. The preparations went on for over 12 months where Priya ma'am would explain each and every single step of the process with utmost patience. We were made to learn the script by heart, scene by scene. She would also encourage us to choreograph bits to develop our choreography skills. We were assigned different characters to play. Getting into the skin of these characters was a bit tricky, but we managed to do well. We had 2 different batches practicing for the same program at 2 different locations, and coordinations between these 2 groups was a big challenge. We had to shuttle between these 2 locations to practice, and the rehearsals would go on till 11 at night. We couldn't have pulled it off without dedicated parents. Our parents were so supportive that we hardly got to know any trouble, and all we had to do was to give our best on the stage. Through all this, we've learned the power of teamwork, patience, and how to overcome various challenges that come on our way. After this program ended, I was a bit emotional with the thought that all the rehearsals, conversations with my friends will be missed that I had enjoyed during the rehearsal.
Shanmugodayam was the first ever dance drama production I've been a part of, and I was excited about it. Priya ma'am believes in imparting every bit of knowledge she has onto her students. So she kept us enlightened about the whole process of making it, right from the beginning, be it conception, script writing, composing, choreography, practice, stage settings, orchestra, costumes, etc. Our dance class is based in the UAE. One of the most difficult part of it was the coordination with the musicians. With all our musicians based in different parts of India, we had a difficult time coordinating with them the various changes and alterations we would make. Support of music is huge for a dancer or for the dance form itself. There is no dance without music. So the unavailability of musicians made the practice sessions extremely difficult. But with the help of everyone's determination and passion for dance, the coordination between everyone was the best way possible.
I've had a passion for dancing since I was very young. I used to roam around the house dancing to various songs, and the sounds of my anklets used to just echo through the house. My mother took me to my first dance class 10 years back, and ever since then my feet have started to dream. I joined Priya ma'am's Bharatanatyam about 4 to 5 years back. It was a little difficult to cope up in the beginning, but Priya ma'am always told us to push our limits, and it got easier day by day. What inspires me most about my guru is her ability to bring variety and perfection in almost everything she does. My fondest memory in my dance journey is definitely my Arangetram. The jitters you feel right before you enter the stage is nothing like the other stage performances. The months of practice and the rehearsals with the orchestra brought about a festive mood. But it was only Priya ma'am's constant motivation and support that we were able to do such an amazing performance and made all the intense practice sessions more easy and more enjoyable. So even if I was not part of the Shanmugodayam program, I can definitely relate to what my friends tell.
வாணியவள் வீணையும் உமையாடின் பாணியும் வாய்த்தனல் நந்திதன் தாளமும் சேர்ந்தது